Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And today we are exposing Morovan. So in this package you see here in front of you, this is a mystery package from Morovan. On their website, they have mystery boxes. I didn't know about it until I discovered this when I was ordering some other Morovan products. Normally I order Morovan on Amazon, but I went to their website directly because they have things there that Amazon does not have it. And so now this is going to be a story time and an unboxing, and I'm going to tell you about my experience. So there will be screenshots popped up here so that you can see what I'm talking about. Find the Morovan listing. Here is what it says. What do you get? You get Colors Polygel, 120-piece nail forms, I assume that means dual forms, 10-piece nail glue gel, that's a good amount, 10 gels, probably small ones, a nail file, a nail pen, nutrient-rich solution multi-tool, is that a polygel brush? Nail art dark rhinestone decorations, nail art long dust brush, 20-piece shade Aurora Diamonds, poly nail gel dual head brush, and press on nail kit. So I'm like, that's a lot of stuff. I am definitely gonna get this box. It'll probably be an assortment of what those items may look like, but that's a good amount of stuff. Let me get it. So I order it, and a few weeks go by and this package comes in. Let me show you what's in the package. This is everything. Where's that list of stuff? This is what I got. Surely it's a mistake. So I emailed them. I was like, hey guys, so I ordered your mystery box and I seem to be missing some items. You know, as you do when you attempt to get resolution when there's a problem with a product. And so this is what they send me back. I sent them the screenshot of what was listed, and I sent them a photo of what I received. They send me this email that you're seeing now. Sorry for the inconvenience. Due to our setup error, we have caused you inconvenience. The nail products in our mystery boxes are sent randomly. Yes, of course. But then, if you'll notice, this screenshot they sent me is not the same that I sent them. They went on their website after I contacted them to add in this disclosure. Morovan's mystery mini nail box contains 4 of the above random items. Why would they put that on there after and then be like, oh well, sorry, we misled you with our advertising. To enhance your shopping experience, we'll give you this discount. You guys feel free to use this coupon code. I will not be ordering from the Morovan website directly again. I love their products and I will buy them from Amazon, but I will not buy them from their website. Let me show you. So if you go to Amazon, here is the screenshot. This is 6 polygels. You can get 6 polygels for $9.99, $7.99. This was a $9.99 package. Why am I paying $10 for 4 polygels when I can get 6 polygels for the same price or less on Amazon? And then I had to pay an additional shipping fee. What was it, like $6, $7, something like that? So that just does not make sense. That's real backwards. So I emailed them again to let them know, hey, you added that after. I would not have made this purchase had I known I was actually going to get a really bad deal. And then here's the email. Again, just reiterating, sorry for the inconvenience. Here's a coupon code. I am not a happy camper, not a happy camper at all. So I was like, let me leave a review so I can explain to people what happened. Here is my attempt at that review. I tried to explain, in here, the customer service is the issue, and here's why. And it won't let me leave a review. Only customers who have confirmed receive this item are allowed to review. Obviously, I've confirmed receiving this item. Why can't I leave a review? They've got me marked as undelivered so that I cannot leave a review. That is some pretty sketchy customer service in my opinion. Amazon, excellent. This Absolutely not. I will not. If you want to buy Moravan products through their website, good luck to you, but I would definitely recommend doing it through Amazon just to cover yourself and get a better price, because this is insane. But we do have them, so we might as well see what's in here. I haven't looked yet. So here's what's come out of the boxes. 3 of them have plastic, 1 of them don't. I don't know why. It probably doesn't matter. Okay, so we've got them all out of the plastic. We have P079, P071, P074, so I assume these must be out of the same collection. And then P418. This one's got to be from a different collection because the number is so different. But let's actually open them and see what's inside. Alright, so we have the P079. Let's have a look at it. They always got these air bubbles that scare me. So, it is purple. It's not a super dark purple, but it's not a super light purple either. It's a nice medium purple. When you say just purple, this is kind of the color that I imagine. I like this color. It is nice. It is something that I could use. I do think that I have a similar color to it, but it's a jelly. But that's what that looks like. P071. This one doesn't have an indicator, so I think it's black. It is black. I have a black polygel. It might even be made by them. I'm gonna have to look. That was really, really soft to push out of there. Now, black polygel is one of those ones that you have to be really careful with because it does not like to cure well. So you have to kind of work it up in thin coats. So what I'm putting in here and pushing around, I can see as I'm thinning it, it is turning a bit transparent, which that's probably good actually to help with the curing process. However, if you're wanting an opaque polygel out of it, I don't know if that's what you're gonna get. Maybe you build it up and you will, but we will see how this does in the lamp. P074. This is a purple as well, but this one is full of glitter. Let's spread it around a little bit. It is very, very, very soft. I don't mind a soft polygel because it is at least easy to push around, but you do have to make sure you use plenty of slip solution. Alcohol works just fine. It's what I'm using. Otherwise, this stuff can get pretty sticky. Sorry, I keep getting off camera, not paying attention well. It looks like the glitter in here is colorful. It's not hollow. It's like bluey peachy, maybe. We'll try to look at it better when it's cured. And then the last one, P418. Another purple. Interesting. It appears to be slightly lighter than that one that we just had. The glitter actually looks to be in the same color. Look how sticky that is. Yeah, super, super soft, just like the other ones. Gotta be careful with that stickiness. I guess I didn't have enough slip solution on my brush. Let's smooth that out just a little bit. Yeah, let's put that one in the lamp too. Okay, so those have had 60 seconds in the lamp. Let's pull them out and test how hard they are. So the first one, let's see, we're gonna push on it. This one's feeling pretty firm because I'm putting some effort to make these dents. So I'm pretty happy with how firm that is in 60 seconds. Let's try the black one. Will it be as firm? No, this one is still soft. I'm barely touching it and it's denting. That one's gonna have to go back. What about the dark purple glitter? Let's try it. Oh, this one is soft too. Not as soft as the black, but it's definitely soft. And the light purple glitter, let's check it out. All right, so this one is hard as well. These two have done a good job curing. The other ones haven't. Let's give them another 60 seconds. All right, so we're back from our next 60 seconds. We've had 2 whole minutes so far. Let's try it. It's still soft. It's a little firmer, but not that firm. I'm gonna try and do it the other way, even though you wouldn't be able to cure through a finger normally, but let's try. And then let's check this one as well. Okay, so this one is hard now. It looks like this one just needed 2 minutes instead of 1. It is trying to slip out of my casing because there's nothing that's keeping it in here. All right, we've had 3 minutes. Now surely that's enough. It's not, it's still cutting right into it. So it may be a problem with this black polygel in general. It is hard to cure black polygel. The others, they came out okay. And to be fair, like, if you did this thin enough, you probably wouldn't be able to tell that it's black, but it would be cured enough, because like the edges are pretty hard. It's just right here in the middle that it's really struggling, and you can see the damage that I've caused shoving that in there. But that's what we got. So let's review. Here's what we got in our Morovans mystery box. We've got 3 purples, 1 black, 2 are glitters, 2 are creams, I guess. I mean, that's what you call it in nail polish language, but I don't know what you call it in polygel covers, like acrylic. Am I satisfied with this? Not really. Do I think it was random? Also not really. Like, what are the chances I'm gonna get 3 purples mysteriously at random? I think they picked these out together, and I think that they may have done that so that maybe they would be cohesive and you could make a set out of it. Unfortunately, they didn't give me any of the other supplies that I was led to believe I would get. So if I didn't already have other supplies, I wouldn't be able to do anything with this. This one is my favorite, to be honest. I love glitters, and so glitter polygels usually are the ones that get my heart, but these kind of colors do have a place, because if you're going to put decorations on it, you do want more of a plain base. When you do glitters like these are long hair pretty nails patty gels. You see they don't have decorations on top of them because they are already so beautiful on their own. But that's it. Let me know if you've got any experience with Morovans website directly and how that went for you, and let me know what you think of their products in general if you have used them. I'm a fan of their products for the most part, just not a fan of their customer service. But that is it. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for your interaction, your likes, your comments, your subscription. I do appreciate all of it. It does help me out. Please be following my social medias. The links are in the description, and if you use Beyond Polish, please do use my affiliate code or affiliate link. That helps me out as well. And do check that website before you make purchases elsewhere, whether it's gel products or nail polish. They have all kinds of products. They even have tips, and sometimes you can get it at a lower price than you would on the direct website. So just check. That's what I do. That's how I even got it started with them in the first place. But thank you again, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.